over the few trades I took today. A couple wins, a couple losses. Well, one win, one loss. But besides that, let's get into it. So on the XFA, we can see up at the top, I have negative 139 on the day. How did I lose? Let's get into it. So from yesterday into today, we had this huge buying pressure to take out these draws, ultimately topping out right around, this candle closure right here. And so we can see we wedged out into this morning, leading on to the sell-off. And so on the 15-minute, we have a fair value gap right below. We have this one. We have this one right down here. And there's some, other ones down below, but these are the two main ones I was focusing on this morning. So leading into market open right around 6:15, 6:30, we started a sell-off on the smaller time frame, 5-minute, and yeah. So initially there was this first break right here where you could have taken a short with your stops, right above, wherever you please, targeting wherever. Market was very bearish, selling off. I did not take this one. I wanted more confirmation after the break of the second 15-minute gap to target lower. And so what I did was I put my entry down here with an additional 5-minute gap kind of right there. And so what I did was I entered in off the break of the 5-minute. But unfortunately, we can see I got a really, really late entry at 7:55 because of this candle. So wherever 7:55 is, 55 right there. So I got a really, really late entry. My stop was at 35 points because that's what I always use. I should start to change it up because of the way the market moves sometimes. So a day like today, I should have done like 50 points. But we'll just say it's right there. We can see I got stopped out at 789. So yeah, I got stopped out. And what I did was I decided to re-enter once I saw the market was starting to flip over, and you can see it wedged out right here. There's a little triangle, doji, and then selling off again. So I got in again at 593, so 25593, 25. Where is it? It's pretty far down there. That would have been on, is there another 15-minute gap? Yeah, so there's a 15-minute gap. 15-minute gap. All right, and is there a 5-minute? Yeah, so there's a few little gaps in here. 5-minute, 5-minute. All right, it's not working. Okay. So I got in at 593. Okay, pretty much right there. So it looks like I got in on a continuation after the 5-minute. We're inside of the 15-minute. Selling pressure is a lot, and I was just, banking that price was going to continue going lower. And so then I got out at 81, which was pretty short. Let's take off this magnet tool. 81. 81, pretty much right there. So it looks like it's just a 1-to-1. If we take it, we go, all right, that's like 36 points, and this is also 36 points. So a little 1-to-1 there. I didn't necessarily make back all of my loss because I probably got a late fill for when I took profit. Ultimately, ending my day with negative 139 on the XFA. However, I don't know why it's not working. However, on my evals, I am plus 366. So same thing, I was copy trading all my accounts. I got that loss, stopped out, and I took a short right here. I don't know why it's not working. All right, so I took a short right here, probably on the break of the 15-minute. So at 6:52, could have been the 5-minute. Boom. All right, so 6. Yeah, it was on the break of the 5-minute. Late fill again because market was swinging down so hard. Or what the hell? 7:48. Ah, right. Yeah, so I did an initial re-entry on the evals going short, and I got out down there. Sorry about that misconfusion. But yeah, initial break, stopped out, quick re-entry, copy trading all the evals, boom, down here. The XFA was, I waited for continuation down here, got out. So made the profit back on the eval right here. Took a little scalper right here on the PA, made back a little bit, and horrible fill. So made back a little bit of that. And that was ultimately it. I have one more eval right here that's up 1500 from yesterday. So technically Canada wouldn't have been able to take the trade because you need 2 days pass on Top Step. But that was basically it. I don't know why this is glitching out. I can't delete any of this stuff, which is really dumb. But overall, good trading day. My drawdowns on all these accounts are not the best. We can see on my XFA I have $837 left. My 3 main evals I have $1,447, and then on that $1,500 day, I have $2,000 left. So slowly grinding at it, slowly getting there, and yeah, we'll be back at it tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, drop a comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.